This is a situation here now. This is a situation here now. You say the victim's family has not given us any names. Is the member of parliament also lying?
You said
the member of parliament also is lying.
It is a police or administrative. Just one minute.
I am giving a name. I am giving the name of the person.
Officer. Let Mr. Kuldeep Bishnoi name any single police officer or administrative officer who has put pressure on them.
You are shifting the subject.
I am ready to stand it. Yes.
No, Mr. Chawla, you are shifting the subject.
You said that.
Mr. Chawla, you are shifting the subject.
Police which is putting the pressure.
No, Mr. Chawla, you are shifting the subject.
You said police is putting the pressure.
Mr. Chawla, I am repeating here today. I am repeating, Mr. Chawla, I am repeating here today. The victim's family has alleged that the administration is forcing them to a compromise. Now, I have said administration. They have said administrators are calling us. Name one administrator, one official.
Name one.
I am asking you. Name one who you've taken action.
One government servant you name.
You are saying the onus is on the victims. I am saying the victims being threatened. You said.
You name one single person from government department who has put pressure on them.
No, when I said that the victims' family is saying we are being threatened.
Amongst themselves.
Mr. Chawla, when I said the victims' family is saying they have been threatened, then you said the victims' family hasn't told us who's threatened them. The member of parliament from Hisar is telling you that the victims' family has taken names with him. You are saying. Are you saying?
Not threatened. You are using the wrong word. He said for a compromise, not threatened.
Mr. Chawla, what is a compromise?
My only point is...
A compromise is terrible. How do you compromise? How does a gang rape victim... How is a gang rape victim expected to compromise? How can you compromise with your rapist?
Nobody is saying that.
Then what is a compromise?
I would be the last person to say that. I would be the last person to go for that.
But what? Why?
And
why
in fact, we are putting this case.
Who are the people?
We are asking the session judge to put this case on fast track.
Mr. Chawla, Mr. Chawla, why are you shooting up the court? Why can't the police do something on its own? Are you under political pressure?
I am a police officer. And being the senior most officer here, it is my responsibility. This is my family.
If somebody is forcing victim's family into a compromise, no, Mr. Bishnoi is saying that somebody is forcing a family into a compromise.
He is naming a private person.
No, my question to you: how do you compromise? How do you compromise? How do you compromise?
I don't know, because I am not even interested in this.
Is this, how can you not be interested? How can Mr. Chawla, Mike, how can you, Mr. Chawla, not be interested when a gang rape victim's family is saying that we are being pressurized into a compromise? In fact, you should take it up and you should say, I will find out who's trying to force a compromise. They are trying to tweak with the law. I'll take action against them. You should file cases against those people.
You are putting words in my mouth, sir. Just 1 minute. I would be the last person to accept or even talk about a compromise in a gang rape case. But I would be the last person on this, sir.
Mr. Chawla, I am not saying you. I am saying people have asked the victim's family for a... Is that Mr. Bishnoi, would you like to clarify it once again? One second. Let me ask Mr. Bishnoi, your member of parliament, to tell you once again who approached him. Let's go after the facts, Mr. Chawla. My point is, Mr. Chawla, please understand. I am not blaming you. I am asking what is the action that is being taken. Mr. Bishnoi, would you like to make your point to the IGP again?
Yes, of course. I want to clarify what Mr. Chawla just now said. The family is told me clearly that the police is not doing anything in spite of us telling them repeatedly that we are being pressurized to compromise. On the phone, we are getting threatening calls from some ex-ministers, current government officials from Hisar. Had I known that I am going to come on the TV today as well, I would have come out with the names. And I am ready to come tomorrow again on TV. I can give you the names, Mr. Chawla, tomorrow morning. But what has the government done? So many days have passed away. Only one person. So only Mr. Chawla, Mr. Chawla, you are a very good officer. I know you very well. Just one thing I want to say. So many days have passed. You have just arrested one person, in spite of knowing the names of the people given by the villagers. Did you round up any of the family members? Did you round up any of the district presidents whose name have come up in this case? The government, the chief minister is in deep slumber.
Let me put up the figures correct.
When something comes up in media, but because of this, because of this failure of the police,
it is not one person.
2 rapes have happened yesterday, one in Jind and one in Rohtak, the home district of chief minister, because criminals are not scared of the police, because police is not doing anything in Haryana. Rapes are happening day by day because the
Sir,
police is not
7
doing
people
anything.
have been
It's a complete
arrested.
failure of
Just
the
one
government.
second, sir.
I will.
Let me
People
put-
of Haryana need an answer. People of Hisar needs an answer. Police is not doing anything
okay,
in Hisar. Just
let's-
one man has been arrested, and I was
7
told
people
by the
plus
villagers
2
that the
harbourers have
villagers
been
handed
arrested
over
in this case.
that person to the police. Police did not arrest even a
gentlemen.
single man. That person who was behind the bars was handed over by
7
the villagers
plus
to the
2,
police.
9 people.
Police is not doing anything. Yes.
No. Only one person, the villagers did help us, the lady, the first person. There are total 9
Yes.
people arrested, and I am going this on record to say this. On record.
None
not
of
one person,
them
9
are the
person.
actual culprits. You have just caught wrong people that were told by me by
Just
the
one
family of the
second.
victim.
Okay,
that
just-
you have arrested only one right person.
You
Where
don't-
is Mahendra Singh
This
Dudi?
lady-
Where
just
is
a
he? Who's
minute.
the main person? Who's the nephew of the
Just one
district
second.
president of the
There
Om
are-
Prakash Chautala's party? Where is he?
Sir, please listen to me. There are 4 people named in the FIR.
Yes, please.
Out of these 4 people, all of them have been arrested, and I go on record to say that in front of this channel.
When did
4
the arrest
people
happen?
by name have been arrested in this case already.
The arrests all
I would
happened.
like to
When
request
I'm saying
time
on
now
record
to
that all-
go tomorrow to
all the 4 have been
Baba
arrested.
village and please talk to please get those somebody from the family live on TV right now, and they will give
Yes.
you the names. And none of them has been arrested
And
because
I'd
I met them
say- I'd
at
say-
4:30 p.m.
Mr.
today.
Sir, what?
I'd request you, the Inspector General of
There are
Police.
4 named people, all have been arrested.
I'd request the Inspector General
4
of Police
named people have been arrested.
There are 12 people.
also
3
take
unnamed
action.
have been arrested.
There are-
Mr. Chawla, you need to take action against those who
And
are asking
yes,
anyone to
I
compromise.
totally agree with you.
Because those people, isn't it, Kirti Singh, finally, if anybody
we
is
will do
saying...
the needful, I assure you.
My question to Kirti Singh is if anybody is telling a
I
rape
agree
victim's
with
family,
what you are saying.
go ahead with a compromise, that person is committing a crime as bad as the act of rape itself. I mean, it is completely, it is an act
And
of
the
intimidation, it's a violation for a second time, and the police should take it up seriously. Kirti Singh,
Totally agree with you.
Kirti Singh.
The family
Totally agree.
Yes, of course.
Totally
family
agree with you.
is
Of course,
in
it's
deep
a
trauma because
violation
they are getting
of
pressurized and
law.
threatening calls.
It is obviously, just a minute, it's obviously something which is against the law. It is obviously wrong to do so. The offense
Yes.
is cognizable. It's a gang rape. It's not a single rape even. And of course, clips have been made, circulated. The girl's father has died. So it's an extremely serious and heinous crime in which we simply can't allow people to pressurize the victim or her mother to settle the matter. They should be in fact given protection. It should be seen that they are not being pressurized. The police should immediately do things like that instead of justifying the fact that they are doing everything. I'm extremely worried about how much evidence they have collected and how they are taking the case
I
forward.
once again,
And I
would...
think it's time that
I agree with you, madam. I totally agree with you.
Well, I'd say
I
the
agree
Chief
with what
Minister...
you are saying, and I assure
I
you.
also think the Chief Minister of Haryana needs to come out, and the Congress leaders of Haryana need to
Yes.
come out. They cannot remain in hiding on this subject. They need to come out. They have been elected by the people, and I think the people have a right to demand that they come out on television, on elsewhere on the media, and explain what on earth is going on across the state. And just to show statistics, not good enough. It's just not good enough. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for that.
Want to add one
Thanks.
thing here.
I want to thank the IGP, and I want to tell you, Mr. Chawla, please keep in mind, the only
Yes, sir.
reason we are asking you the questions is because of what the victim's family has gone through. This is not a personal accusation on you.
I agree.
You just please understand that sentiment.
No, sir.
And I
I
appreciate
totally
your
agree with
coming
what
on
you are
Newsa.
saying. Yes.
I appreciate
I
your
totally
coming
agree.
on Newsa. I know many police officers would have chosen not to take these questions, and I think it's good that a police officer is coming and taking the questions. But Mr. Chawla, I assure you, the questions won't end here. We'll have more questions for you tomorrow as well. Thank you very much for joining us on the Newsa this evening.